Hey guys, it's MotoJep again and welcome to another tire review. For today, we will be talking about the Metzeler Roadtech scooter. It's one of the newest brand or model of the Metzeler. Metzeler is a German motorcycle tire company founded in 1863. It is one of the top brands in the industry of the motorcycle tire. And we have witnessed the performance and the quality of the Metzeler Roadtech 01. And we are amazed on how it performs and gives us confidence on the road. And now, Metzeler adopts this technology and performance on other lower displacement scooters. It is the Metzeler Roadtech scooter, giving scooters a confidence and performance it has in its previous model. A performance in both wet and dry roads. Roadtech scooter, the new development for all kinds of scooter, ranging from 10 to 16 inches wheel that takes inspiration from the award-winning Roadtech 01.
Mapapawaw ka na lang talaga sa ganda nito. Kaya isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa gulong na ito are the lines, the groove, and the tread design. Kita nyo naman yung mga drainage na yan, yung daluyan ng tubig kapag umuulan. Hindi ka talaga mag-aalala, lalo ngayong tag-ulan.
This tire is for all seasons. I have tried it in both sunny day and rainy day.
Napahanga ako ng gulong na ito, napakakapit. Kaya nung narinig kong mayroon pala nito, eto na yung kinuha ko. Though dapat yung Sportec ng Metzeler yung kukunin natin, pero out of stock sila ngayon kaya ito yung ginawa natin and nirecommend nila to at saka isa sa mga bago nila. And narinig ko rin na kinuha nila ito sa Roadtech 01. So ayun, kumpiyansa agad tayo, pero it really fits my scooter. Maganda siya. I really recommend this. Lubak.
So far, 1 month ko pa lang ito ginagamit and it really have a nice outcome to me. Lalo na nabasa ko sa isang article na itong gulong na ito is one of the top recommended tire in rainy season ng mga bihasa sa mga gulong. Kaya maaasahan mo talaga ito. Nabasa ko sa website nila yung benefits ng gulong na ito, lalo na sa grip, sa versatility, handling, and safety. Siyempre, importante yan sa atin mga riders. I recommend this tire to our fellow scooter users. Sa mga magtatanong nga pala, napili ko tong gulong na ito sa Moto Market sa May Alabang. At sila na rin yung bahala magkabit nito at free lang yun at linisan na rin yung mags nyo. And that's it for this vlog. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung ating Metzeler Roadtech scooter. And try nyo rin. Baka magustuhan nyo rin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment na rin kayo sa baba kung ano pa yung gusto nyong masubukan natin na gulong. And yung may recommend nyo rin sa ating mga fellow riders. Yun lang, ingat ang lahat. God bless. Bye-bye.